Events are back with a vengeance. We're seeing people want to invest their time and attention when the content and experience resonates with them.
Texted my CEO 15 minutes into the event, and first question was like, is something wrong? I was like, no, we just got our first demo request, and it was 15 minutes in the first session.
So if you have polls, if you have a live Q&A, or you're pulling from questions in the chat, that becomes the fodder that you can use to bring people back again and again to learn from you.
Every other marketing channel optimizes for the click, the open rate, the conversion. Events are different. You can't click your way through a live conversation. You show up, you engage, or you don't.
And if we can cultivate those relationships with people through those shared experiences before, during, and after the event, we build that trust over time.
The event doesn't end, in my mind, anymore the second the Zoom closes. For the people running the event, that's just like the halfway point. It ends once all the content and recordings are being repurposed, are being scheduled out, are being worked on.